pretty fucking simple, bro. I literally called out this move, by the way, dog, right? And what I didn't really call out or whatever is how much chop we were gonna get before the actual move. So today we literally got exactly what I wanted, which is a skinny nation move, an SMT up to here, and delivering down because we have such bearish news today, right? Look at this, guys. That's talking about bombing a whole freaking civilization, bro. So I mean, you know what I'm saying? What do you expect, right? Let's have data lows down here. Look at this wick. Yeah, bro. And we had a bunch of low resistance just to the sell side right here, right? Where there's pretty much shorts that are free as fuck. But I wanted to see manipulation move up first, which we did get. But before I get into this whole thing, let's go on the higher time frame bias of the day. So coming to the 4 hour, I actually wanted to see honestly more bullish than not, right? I drew this arrow out. I want to see more bullish than not due to this, like these levels and whatnot right here. But then I go to a lower time frame and we just inverse the 1 hour to the downside, and I was like respecting this 1 hour BPR area right here as well. And we have low resistance to the downside and these like data wicks and whatnot, right? So I mean, I was like, bro, this is pretty much short first before we go up. Like, I want to see us go up overall, yes, but I mean, in the moment around market open, we just inverse the 1 hour, respecting this gap right here. There's a literal BPR. We have data lows, and we have low resistance as well. And also this fucking new week open gap BPR area, which we came back down to, looks like, right? Plus bearish news. So that was kind of my bias or whatever, right? I don't think I need to really go over ES except for the SMT that we had. So let's go ahead and stay on the 5 minute here. So yeah, I mean, there's not really much to say here except that, you know, I think I can like show it too, bro. You all want to see how pissed off I was. This is not the thing. This guy got fucked in the ass. I was literally like, this is exactly what I want for the day. Where's that? I'm tripping. It's on here. And guess what? Guess the fuck what? We did get that kind of, but we got raped. But yeah, 15 minutes. There's actually not much either. You know, 5 minute. Move this other way real quick. Yeah, so I mean, all I wanted to see was a manipulation move up first, and then we get shorts, right? Short confirmation, I enter. So that's what I did. I went ahead and just, we literally, market open, came up, swept this high. ES did not, creating that SMT. And then we gave this, yeah, I was really looking for a fucking short here. Thing is though, there really wasn't like, I don't know. There was this 30-second right here, which honestly that probably would have been the best play right there, but it happened too quick, to be honest with you. Or not too quick, I was just too slow, I guess. If I was more focused, I guess. But I was not quick enough to catch this 30-second right here, which I think was really good. You went breaking right there, and I would just probably got to break even. But what I actually did was take a 2 to 3 minute, which you're fixing my mistake here in a bit. Yeah, I'm pretty confident, right? I was like, okay, let's take this low out. Like, for my break-even point, let me move this out the way. This is so fucking chop work. Hold on. And my break-even point can just be this low right here. No, we don't take it out, right? Oh my gosh. We did not take it out for break-even. And I got stopped out by barely, but I still got stopped out. And yeah, I stopped out. This was a combine trade, by the way, so I mean, I'm not too, you know, whatever about it. But still, it's still a trade. More so focused on the skill than not. And something that my trading partner really pointed out here was the fact that we had an actual fucking fair value gap right here as well. But I guess my conviction that, oh, there's no way this doesn't hit, just overlaps that. and I just went ahead and took the trade anyways. Even though we can't, I mean, technically we took out this breaking point, and this is also breaking point, but I was like, no way, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that kind of sucks. But the biggest mistake here was just that there's a fair value gap here that we bounced off of, and we tapped into, which just wasn't great. I still took a short. But after that combine loss, I was like, okay, let's see who gets something else here, right? I'm still so confident in these shorts. Like, I mean, it's still open. We still have low resistance. I was like, maybe we just had a bad stop loss and whatnot, and bad entry. So what happens? We give this 1 minute IFG right here. And I was like, this looks fucking amazing. I mean, look at that shit. We still have the break even point still open. We have like low resistance on top of low resistance on top of low resistance, dog. So I mean, break even point we're just been down here, and I got the break even, bro. Right? Fucking annoying as shit. If I wouldn't have my break even though, I would have banged a 102.3, which I didn't. I got a break even, but it wasn't even a break even because top step X was fucking tripping. It was slow as fuck for a little bit, so I got even later entry. So it was like around here. It wasn't that much of a difference, but still, you know what I'm saying? I think I lost more. I didn't actually get a break even. It was a break even, yes, but I lost like 100 or some shit. Just due to, you know, the difference where the trade actually is. But yeah, I literally don't see a point of us retracing that. Is there even like a fucking BPR or some shit here, bro? It's just like, it's just fucking annoying shit, bro. I can't really do shit about it though, can I? Except for learn and improve. Literal, like, what was the point of this up move right here? It's just fucking annoying, bro. But it is what it is. This was an XFA trade, and yeah, pretty annoying. But other than that, psychological wise, I didn't really feel too much except for this first trade, I guess, because I didn't look at the fair value gap over here. But again, it was a combine trade. I had a super strong conviction. This one I don't think was bad at all. I guess I couldn't just. I guess the best thing I could have done for this trade was not go break even. But I don't know. We took out these levels right here. I guess it was just a discretion and how much conviction I had in the move to not go break even or not. So yeah. Even right here, bro, like, if you would have took this area for a short as well, you would have got fucking break even again, maybe, off this move. It's like, why are you retracing so much, bro? And it finally dumps and shits in bed here. But yeah, that's it for today. Oh my gosh.